Quality-approved gum is ready for its final journey.
Deep in tropical forests, the journey of bubblegum begins with a living tree. These workers are chicleros, trained to harvest sap without harming the tree.
Only mature trees are selected, ensuring sustainability and long-term growth.
Careful cuts open channels that guide the sap without damaging the tree.
The zigzag pattern allows gravity to do the work. This natural latex, known as chicle, is the foundation of gum.
Every drop is captured for processing later.
Harvesting requires patience and constant attention.
Each tree is tapped only at the right time.
Consistency ensures quality and safety for the tree.
Over hours, these bags gradually fill with raw chicle.
Color and texture signal readiness for collection.
Nature sets the pace, not the workers.
Once full, the sap is ready to move on.
Protection is critical at every stage.
Harvested chicle is staged for transport. The forest remains intact, ready for future harvests. Now, the raw sap begins its journey beyond the forest. Once collected, chicle must leave the forest quickly to preserve its quality. Transport begins under challenging natural conditions. From here, machines replace foot travel. Each bag carries hours of careful harvesting.
The source remains behind, undisturbed. The journey continues by road. Raw chicle now moves toward processing.
Every mile shortens the distance between nature and industry.
Transport conditions shape how the sap is handled later. Processing facilities mark the next phase.
This is where raw sap becomes a material.
Every delivery follows a precise route. Raw chicle has reached its first industrial checkpoint. This facility bridges the forest and modern manufacturing. Material handling begins the moment the truck stops. Access is controlled and methodical. Weight and balance are checked with every lift.
Movement follows marked industrial pathways.
Verification ensures traceability from source to plant.
the factory opens its doors to raw material. From this point on, conditions are fully controlled. Every square foot is designed for flow.
Placement accuracy prevents delays downstream.
Digital tracking starts immediately.
Each batch carries its origin forward.
Mechanical flow replaces manual handling. Speed is steady and deliberate. Environmental separation maintains cleanliness.
Human coordination remains essential.
Measurement confirms incoming quantities. Recorded weight locks the batch into the system. Approval sends the material forward. Raw Chicle is now ready for its first transformation. Before processing can begin, raw Chicle must be cleaned. Field protection gives way to industrial sanitation. Manual inspection catches what machines cannot. Material enters the first wash stage. Rotation exposes every surface to cleaning. Filtration preserves efficiency and hygiene. Multiple rinses ensure consistency. Pressure removes stubborn contaminants. Moisture is reduced before sorting. Size and density guide separation.
Human judgment confirms machine results.
Clean material is now controlled. Airflow stabilizes moisture levels. Alignment prepares for the next stage. Uniform flow improves processing control. The system prepares the material for transformation. Controlled movement prevents damage.
Cleaning is complete.
Now, transformation can truly begin. At this stage, Chicle begins its controlled industrial processing. Precise alignment ensures uninterrupted flow. Automation controls every entry point. Heat softens the natural latex. Temperature is kept within strict limits.
Gentle movement preserves structure.
Excess moisture is removed gradually.
Vent systems protect product integrity.
Texture is constantly monitored.
Time and motion do the work.
Uniformity signals readiness.
The system prepares for transfer. Material moves without exposure. Controlled force maintains consistency. Conditioning refines the base.
Structure is finalized here.
All parameters are aligned. The base is now fully prepared. The foundation of gum moves forward.
Next, the Chicle becomes something familiar.
The base remains warm and pliable.
Here, the Chicle begins its transformation into gum base. Pressure reshapes the softened latex.
Natural flavors and stabilizers are introduced.
Mixing continues through motion.
Ratios are controlled to the gram.
Elasticity defines chew quality.
Smoothness matters later.
The base is now fully formed. Compression finalizes structure.
The gum base takes its final shape. Cooling locks in consistency. Automation now takes control of precision and speed. Every millimeter is monitored. Shape is defined through controlled cutting.
Timing is everything.
The product is nearly complete.
Precision now takes priority.
Finishing transforms precision into consistency.
Controlled coating prevents sticking. Each piece is identical.
The product is ready for final checks.
Nothing moves forward without approval.
Every piece of gum undergoes rigorous quality inspection. Precision optics catch the smallest flaws.
Tactile testing confirms consistency. Chemical properties are verified.
Exact moisture ensures shelf stability.
Balance is critical for flavor and safety.
Human eyes complement automated systems.
Flavor integrity is critical.
Traceability is recorded at every step.
Only the approved batch moves ahead. Controlled conditions maintain quality. Traceable labeling begins here. Quality-approved gum is ready for its final journey. The final stage transforms gum into a consumer-ready product.
Wrapping preserves freshness and hygiene.
Accurate batching is essential for packaging. Automation ensures speed and precision. Traceability accompanies each box.
Storage maintains product quality until distribution.
Products are staged for shipment.